Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I have a fabulous laundry deal for you today. And this is Top Tip Tuesday. Top Tip Tuesday. So we're going to use this Top Tip Tuesday deal and save some money on our laundry products. You guys know how I am about laundry. I love to get laundry products on sale, and I think this is a great deal to do it and a great way to use some of our expired coupons, well, our coupons that are about to expire. So let's use them up. Let's get some great deals before they expire, and let's head on into the store. Get your cell phones out, take some screenshots, get your inserts out, especially your PNG insert and your save insert, and let's get those coupons clipped and let's go ahead and save. Okay guys, so we're in the store, and the first deal that we're going to do is a clearance deal. It is the Downy Defy Damage beads, and they are on clearance for 50% off. Now they are regularly $15.79 in the store, but we all know that at like Target or Walmart and different places like that, you could probably get them for $9.99 or $10.99. So the price is a little elevated at CVS, but it's okay because it's 50% off, which brings it down to $7.89. And you can get the pink or the blue. And we're going to use this coupon out of your PNG insert. You see it doesn't expire till July 3rd. So that's $3 off. So that's going to bring these down to $4.89. So that's a pretty good deal for these. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab 4 of these, because you can use 4 coupons in one transaction. But I'm going to get 2 blue and 2 of the green. But I'm only going to use 1 of these for our laundry pack Top Tip Tuesday deal. The other 3 I'm going to purchase in a totally separate transaction. So the next item that we're going to pick up are either, you can choose between the Bounce dryer sheets, which are on sale for $2.94. And it is the 40 count, so make sure that you pick up the right ones. Or you can get the Gain beads, beads, or the Unstoppables. They're all on sale for $2.94. So I'm going to get one of these Gains. I'm going to try this one. I've never tried this scent before. And we're going to use this coupon. Let me get it out here. Sorry guys, I'll just put everything in the cart upside down. So we're going to use this coupon, which is $1 off. Again, this one doesn't expire until July 3rd. So you guys have all week to do these deals. Now, you see that the Gain Fireworks is not pictured on here, but if you read the fine print, it does state the Gain Fireworks. So you can do the dryer sheets, the Unstoppables, or the Gain Fireworks with this coupon. It will work on all of the products. So you can see that it's written in the fine print, so no worries. And see, these are the dryer sheets that work with the coupon. And you can get either the Dref beads, you can get the Downy, again, either one of the Gains, and then the Unstoppables. Totally up to you which ones you want to get, because they're all the same price, and use that coupon. Now, you can also use the coupon that's in that same insert, which is $1 off, that's located above it. That is for all Gain products if you're going to use the Gain Fling. So you can use either coupon on the Gain Flings. Totally up to you. The next item we're going to get to finish up our laundry pack is the Tide Simply. This is a new scent, the Tide Bleach Alternative. I think I'm going to grab that one and try it, but you can get any of them. You can get the regular, the Tide with Oxy, the Tide Rescue. Totally up to you which one, but they're all $2.94. And you're going to use that same coupon, which is $1 off, which is going to bring them down to $1.94. And that coupon works on all of the scents. So totally up to you. So this is going to be our laundry pack. You're going to have one of the Downy Defy Damage beads. You're going to have one of the Tide Simplies. And then you're either going to do the Gain beads, the Gain fling, they're not flings. I don't know what they are. The Gain beads, the Downy Unstoppables, the Dreft, or the Bounce Dryer Sheets. They're all the same price and all use the same coupons. So we're going to use 2 of these. And then we're going to use the one $3 off out of your P&G insert. So now we're at the register, and you can see the Tide is $2.94. The Downy is $7.89, and the Gain is $2.94. There's the $1 coupon and the $3 coupon. So now we just have to get the other $1 coupon off of here. Okay, so now we have both of our coupons off, so our total is $9.30 for all 3 laundry items. So we'll go over the receipt shortly. Okay, guys, so I'm back in the car. Let's go over the receipt because there is something that I want to tell you so that your deal goes smooth. Okay, so hold on. I got the air on. Guys, 1 second. Okay, so you see the Gain fireworks? So the ones that I picked up the first time were the like citrus ones. For some reason, those beeped. And the coupon wouldn't work with it. But then I just went and got the regular scent and that worked. So that you don't have a hassle. Because some cashiers will manually put the coupon in and then others won't. So just so that you don't have a hassle, just get the regular scent and you will be fine. There's the Tide Simply for $2.94. And then there's the Downy, which was regularly $15.79 but was on sale for $7.79. And then there's my coupons that I used. I used the $1 off for the Tide, the $1 off for the Gain Flings, and the $3 off for the Downy Defy. So my total was $8 and there you go, $8.77. So we're not going to talk about tax. And then you guys, you know, CVS has changed their system so that you don't get the quarterly bucks anymore. You actually get it at the end of your receipt. So there I got 18 cents and extra bucks that I can use on my next purchase. So at the end of all your receipts, you'll see these extra bucks instead of getting your quarterly reward. So just remember that, and you can either use these or transfer them onto your card in your CVS app. So guys, if you like this deal, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you like it or if you would have done it a different way. And again, this is Top Tip Tuesday. Top Tip Tuesday. So thanks again for watching, and as always, until the next time, keep on saving.